Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Corey from Corey's Tech Time, and today we are looking at the Lite Pouch Duo. So I picked this up from the Bellroy website for about $40 a few months ago, and I've been using it ever since, and I must say that I do like it a lot. The smaller one I don't take to work. I leave this one here at home, and this is primarily used for travel. This one, the actual pouch, is the one that I take to work on a daily basis. I have a few items in here that I do like to keep just in case. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at these two pouches. So this is the light pencil pouch, and this is the shadow colorway. And I must say that I do like this look. On the outer side, we got the Bellroy branding, and then we also have like a pull tab, I guess, in the event you're trying to open up your zipper. And that's pretty much it. There is no padding whatsoever, so in here I wouldn't keep items that are too expensive. But let's see what it looks like inside. So inside I do have some items, but let me get those out really quick. So this is just for my Sony headphones cable. Looks like USB to Type C. And then I also have, this is what I use for my Pixel tablet. This is a Amazon Fire pencil, I guess, or pen. And then I always keep a microfiber cloth in there as well. And that's pretty much it. And as far as the room, I mean, for its size, it does keep quite a bit, and I could probably keep a lot more items in here, but I was just keeping it light. And yeah, this is what it looks like inside. Let me get this out as well. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And you have some Bellroy, looks like some branding right there as well. But yeah, this thing has no padding whatsoever, so definitely watch what you put in here. All right, let's look at the big boy. This is the actual pouch itself. So this is the one that I do take to work on a daily basis, and I also take it on trips as well. Nice size. I like the fact that it does stand up when you have it full or somewhat full. I think that's a nice feature. And in terms of what I have in here, I have a couple charging bricks and a cable, and then also have another charging brick. This is for like a laptop, and also have some earbuds. I believe these are the wired Pixel buds. And then there's another set of earbuds in here as well. Not sure what these are. And that's about it. That's all I have in there. So, and I had plenty of room. It was probably halfway full, and I could probably go all the way up to the top as well. So it's nice, and it's very roomy. And again, this one does not have no padding whatsoever, so that's not a good look, but I get it. This also features a water resistant zipper. It has the same pull tab, and yeah, this is basically just a bigger version of the pencil. So I like the material. It's that ripstop material. It's their lightest fabric, and it's nice. It just doesn't provide any type of protection for any devices that you might put in here. So that's why for me, I keep the basics in these bags. And that's about it, guys, for the video. Questions, comments, feel free to leave those. And until the next one, peace.